Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Mistfall Hunter if it is not launching, keeps crashing, or closes unexpectedly on your PC. For the best results, follow each solution until the problem is resolved. Let's get started. Solution 1. Verify the game files. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Locate Mistfall Hunter. Right-click the game and select Properties. Open the Installed Files section. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and replace any missing or corrupted files. Wait for the process to finish, then launch Mistfall Hunter and check if the problem has been fixed. Solution 2. If the game still does not launch, return to your Steam library, right-click Mistfall Hunter, and select Properties. Open Installed Files. Click Browse to open the game's installation folder. Locate the Mistfall Hunter executable file. Right-click it, and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program as an administrator, then enable Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then click OK. Now launch the game and check if it opens correctly. Solution 3. Update your graphics driver. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to search for and install the latest available driver. Once the process is complete, restart your computer and test the game again. Solution 4. Update your NVIDIA driver. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open the application. Go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for Updates. If a new driver is available, download and install it. After the installation is complete, restart your computer. Then launch Mistfall Hunter again. Solution 5. Install the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. For the final solution, open the link provided in the description of this video. Scroll down until you find the Visual C++ download options. Click vc_redis.x86.exe to download the 32-bit version. Then click vc_redis.x64.exe to download the 64-bit version. Once both files have been downloaded, open your Downloads folder. Double-click vc_redis.x64.exe, accept the license terms, then click Install. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Wait for the installation to finish, then click Close. Do not restart your PC yet. Now double-click vc_redis.x86.exe, accept the license terms, and click Install. Click Yes if prompted. Wait for the installation to finish. Once both versions have been installed, restart your computer. After your PC restarts, launch Mistfall Hunter and check if it is working correctly. That's all there is to it. One of these solutions should help fix Mistfall Hunter if it is not launching or keeps crashing on your PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Mistfall Hunter tutorials, PC gaming guides, and troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.